Welcome back everybody to the week 2 update video for growing a fig tree from a cutting. I've got a brown turkey fig cutting here. It's been growing for the last week. Here's what we got going on. It's been raining a lot here in Georgia. We've been getting lots of storms, which is good for watering this. Unfortunately, I've got some bad news. We did lose a leaf on this cutting. Leaf down. Always and forever in our hearts. That said, we do have some good news. If you look right here, right in the middle, that's some new growth. That's a new leaf. That wasn't here in my last video. And it looks like, if you get a little closer here, we got another one coming. So hopefully, by the next update, we'll get some more growth on that. Really haven't done anything much different. Just been keeping it in the sunny location on our back deck. Like I said, it's been raining a lot, so it's been getting good watering. Even though it's been very hot, there've been good conditions for this little guy to take off. So, got a little bit of an additional update. I found an application to use for a 1-second video every day to track the growth of this fig. So that is something that I am currently doing and something that you can look forward to in the future. I really appreciate you coming to this update video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep up to date on all things happening with this little baby cutting. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is coming up. It seems like Wednesday is our day to get up and make a quick video. You definitely don't want to miss out, and don't forget to smash the like button as well. That's something that can help get this video a little bit more traction, this whole series, so more people can learn about growing fig trees from cuttings. Thanks again. Catch you guys next time.